Discover the ultimate solution for crystal clear pool maintenance with the best Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaners. Engineered for efficiency and precision, these innovative devices effortlessly scrub, vacuum, and filter your pool, leaving behind a sparkling oasis. Say goodbye to manual cleaning hassles and hello to more leisure time with family and friends. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Dolphin robotic pool cleaners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Dolphin Escape, crowned as the number 5 best Dolphin robotic pool cleaner, this marvel delivers unparalleled performance at an unbeatable price point. Crafted to cater to both above-ground and in-ground pools, it seamlessly adapts to any swimming pool shape, be it vinyl, fiberglass, or gunite, up to 33 feet in length. Bid farewell to messy bags as the Dolphin Escape boasts an oversized debris cartridge capable of holding up to 60% more debris. Equipped with the Hyperbrush scrubbing brush, it effortlessly tackles even the most stubborn contaminants, algae, and debris, leaving your pool sparkling clean. Powered by Hypergrip continuous tracks and energy-efficient 24-volt DC motors, this cleaner glides through the water with ease, filtering over 4,000 gallons per hour. Its SmartNav 2.0 robotic scanning. Smart navigation ensures optimal cleaning efficiency, navigating around obstacles effortlessly. Weighing a mere 14 pounds, the Dolphin Escape is lightweight and easy to handle. With a stellar 2-year quality assurance backing, this exceptional cleaner offers peace of mind. Priced competitively at $629. The Dolphin Nautilus Plus stands as the epitome of efficient pool cleaning, securing its spot as the 4th best Dolphin robotic pool cleaner. Its wall-climbing prowess ensures a comprehensive clean, leaving no surface untouched regardless of shape or material. Active scrubbing technology takes the burden off manual effort, guaranteeing a spotless pool while being gentle on surfaces yet tough on debris. Designed for ease of maintenance, the top-load filter basket allows for effortless debris removal, maintaining crystal clear water for an enhanced swimming experience. With a simple plug-and-play system, achieving a pristine pool is as easy as powering it on, with cleaning completion in just 2 hours. Benefiting from over 40 years of Dolphin's legacy in effortless cleaning, this model ensures unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings, promising a hassle-free pool ownership experience. Moreover, its energy-efficient design reduces water, chemical, and energy consumption during each cleaning cycle. Equipped with Clever Clean Smart navigation, it efficiently covers every corner of the pool, while the durable brush enhances scrubbing efficiency and longevity. Priced at $790, the Dolphin Nautilus Plus represents a smart investment for those seeking a reliable, hassle-free pool cleaning solution. Meet the Dolphin Triton PS, hailed as the epitome of advanced pool cleaning technology. Ranked as the number 3 best Dolphin robotic pool cleaner, this marvel is designed to vanquish dirt and debris, leaving your pool immaculately clean. Equipped with unparalleled filtering prowess, the Triton PS effortlessly captures and locks in all forms of contaminants, ensuring your pool remains pristine. Bid farewell to manual brushing as this diligent Dolphin diligently scrubs the pool floor, walls, and waterline, delivering a spotless finish. Handling the Triton PS is a breeze thanks to its quick water release mechanism, facilitating easy removal from the pool without compromising the captured debris. Boasting an extensive list of features including a 60-foot tangle-free cable, 4,000 GPH suction rate, and a cleaning cycle time of 2 hours. The Triton PS is engineered to accommodate pools of up to 50 feet in length and all surface types. With intuitive power supply features such as on-off and weekly scheduler, maintaining your pool has never been more convenient. Priced at $890. Introducing the Dolphin Premier, ranked as the number 2 best Dolphin robotic pool cleaner, offering unparalleled ease of use and efficiency. Designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, this robotic cleaner boasts a straightforward drop-and-go operation with a single-button plug-and-play setup. Backed by a 3-year quality assurance, it ensures reliability and peace of mind. Equipped with clever clean technology, the Premier employs advanced algorithms for comprehensive pool coverage, while its patented anti-tangle swivel cable enables seamless navigation around obstacles. Its dual scrubbing brushes tackle even the toughest dirt and debris, delivering pristine pool floors, walls, and water lines in just 3 hours. Featuring multiple filter options including fine cartridge filters and an oversized fine filter bag, the Premier ensures optimal cleaning performance tailored to your pool's needs. Its convenient weekly scheduler allows for automated cleaning at preferred intervals, while the full filter indicator simplifies maintenance. With SmartNav software ensuring thorough scanning and coverage, and a Smart Control weekly timer for hassle-free operation, the Premier sets a new standard in pool cleaning technology. Priced at $13.90 US. Say hello to the Dolphin Explorer E70, acclaimed as the #1 choice among Dolphin robotic pool cleaners. This innovative cleaning marvel redefines the standards of pool maintenance, offering a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, the Dolphin Explorer E70 empowers users with unparalleled control and convenience. Gone are the days of laborious manual cleaning, as this intelligent cleaner navigates pools of up to 50 feet with effortless precision. Designed to tackle every surface from floors to walls and water lines, the Dolphin Explorer E70 ensures a thorough clean in a mere 2 hours. Its advanced features, including a delay function and a weekly timer, cater to your schedule, allowing for customizable cleaning sessions at your convenience. The inclusion of the My Dolphin Plus mobile application further enhances the user experience, providing remote access and control from your smartphone. Moreover, the package comes complete with a caddy for effortless transportation and storage. Backed by a generous 3-year warranty, the Dolphin Explorer E70 guarantees peace of mind and long-term reliability, priced competitively at $19.90 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.